Hey you guys, I have an unboxing for you, and this is the Cricut. So the one I got was the mint color, and this is the Cricut Air 2. So this machine is so beautiful and I love it. As soon as I saw it, I just couldn't wait to open it. So it says right here, keep this reusable bag, and that's a great tip to put it away. You're gonna have to put it inside that bag. When you do put it away, it's a great tip and it's going to keep your machine looking nice and fresh. So let's go ahead and peel the sides so we could get started. We're just going to learn a little bit about this machine together, and we're just going to go through it and see how much we can learn about it, what does it do, and everything about this machine. So I picked it in the mint and I love the color. So I got the Air 2. I thought this would be perfect for my needs. It does everything I want, and I cannot wait to get started on here. So yeah, let's go ahead and learn a little bit about this machine. It is beautiful, let me tell you. And I love it. Look at how gorgeous it is. So let me push it a little bit towards us so we can go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing that it has is this little opening. It also has this for the cartridge. So that's great right there. You can go ahead and put in cartridge there if you need to. So that's perfect if you're going to do color. And this is the open button. And look at how gorgeous it is. All you have to do is press that one button and it's going to open. So that's perfect. It's one push and your whole machine is ready for you to use. The top of it, you can go ahead and put your name on it if you want. It also has in the bottom, it has storage. It has this little storage thing, so you can go ahead and put supplies there. And it also has a bigger storage. So this is great for your pencils, for your tools, for your accessories, anything that fits in here. And it has a clamp, so don't worry. Once you hit it down, it's gonna clamp, so you know that it's shut. Now, over here, you have your clamps. So you have clamp A and clamp B. The first one right here, you're going to go ahead and use both of them, if anything. Clamp A has where you're going to put the pen, and clamp B is where you put your cutter. Now, on the side over here, you have your power button right there, so that's going to light up in green when it's ready for you to use. And then in the bottom middle, you have your control. So let's get a close-up. You have your power right there, which is going to light up in green. You have for your paper, you have for your vinyl, you have for your iron-ons, you have for your light cardstock, you have for your regular cardstock, and then you also have for fabric. And on the last one right there, you have for your posters. So if I was you, I would keep it on custom, just because custom reminds you all the time on the computer to set your dial. It's very important when you're going to make a project to set your dial. You don't want your blade confused. Right here, we have where you're going to set your mat and when you're ready to start your project. Right here is to pause just in case of an emergency, if you need to pause the machine. But right here is where you're going to set your mat, and then right here is where you're going to start your project, so the Cricut knows to get ready to start. So it's very important to always have it on custom. It's super easy to close. You just have to manually close it. You close the top and then you're going to close the bottom. The button to open is right there, and it's very important. It opens it up and you have to close it yourself. You close the top and then the bottom, and there's a little click, so don't worry. You're going to hear the little click. Now we have the back of it. So in the back, you have right there, you have for 2 cables. So they're going to give you the cables. Don't worry, they supply you with everything you need for this machine. They're going to give you the instructions on how to set it up, and the UPS cables comes with it. So this is the first one, and this is where you're going to plug your machine and that goes right in the back. So that's to plug your machine and to get it ready to just start up. This goes right in the back in there. Super easy, nothing complicated. And then you plug your machine into the wall. The second USB cable is right here. And this is the one that's going to go. One is going to go into the machine, and the other one is going to go into your laptop, into your computer, wherever you need to plug it in to get your information and start downloading all those beautiful ideas and projects that you're going to make happen. So you get everything here. You're going to get your cables, you're going to get your instructions, you're going to get everything you need to get started, and they're going to help you to get started and just start playing with this. So this is the pen. This is a fine point pen, and they give it to you. This is from Cricut, and they give it to you with the machine in the color black. This is great for making your cards. This is great for just writing. It is so fine, the tip. Look at how fine it is. And it's going to go in your clamp A. So this is super easy to open. You open your clamp and you're going to hear a little click, and then that's when you know to close up your clamp. So the machine tells you when the pen is ready to use, and when it's inside the clamp, you cannot go wrong. It's just gonna guide you through everything. So you could put your clamp right there in the little storage pouch that they have, which is perfect to put all your pencils in. And then the second clamp is right here, and this is your blade. This is your fine point blade, and that's what you're gonna use to cut all your projects. Simple to take out, simple to put in, not complicated. If you need to buy a new one, you go ahead. This is your mat. This is everything you're going to use to set up all your projects. It is easy to go in. Right there, it guides you. It has the sides right here, so you cannot go wrong. You put it underneath and you slide it as close as you can, and you're ready to start your projects. I'm very happy that they give you the mat. First, you peel off the sticky side, of course. And when you're always done with your projects, make sure to put the sticky side and put the thing back on so it stays nice and clean. But this is the mat that you're going to use for all your projects, and it comes with it. Next, they give you the whole thing, the setup, to guide you through everything. So they give you this Cricut Explorer book, and it has like useful links. It has websites that you can go check out, YouTube videos, anything that has to do with the Cricut. They're going to give you advice here. They're going to show you how to use it. They're going to show you what everything is about, how to get started, the projects that you can accomplish, custom projects, a welcome palette. They're going to give you how to make, how to design, and how to prep your mat. So you get the whole thing in this book. Simple to read. Doesn't have a lot of words in here. So you can, and they also provide you with some custom cardstock. The cardstock is just to make something so you're not afraid of the machine, so you get started, so you get used to it, so you can just go ahead and make mistakes and it's okay. But yeah, they provide you with everything you need, which I love. All you have to do is read it and get started. This machine is going to be awesome. You're going to be able to make projects. You're going to be able to make gift cards. You're going to be able to make t-shirts. You're going to be able to make bows. You're going to be able to customize a lot of stuff, make a lot of decals. You're going to be able to just play with it a little bit and understand what you can actually make with it. You'll know once you get started and once you start using it, and you're going to get comfortable. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. I love the color. It comes in different colors. And I'm really happy that they give you quite a few things to get started, like the mat and the pen, just to guide you through everything. I love the fact that they offer you a couple of things just to get started and get comfortable with it, and just so you could know it a little better. I love the fact that it has the storage on there, and it's very easy to set up. Believe it or not, you get your cables, you get your mat, and you are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and make more videos just to show you a little bit more about the machine and what it does. If you guys want to know a little more, go ahead and comment down below and let me know so I can make some projects and share them with you and just show you what this machine really does and what the whole thing is about. I would love to share it with you. Actually, I could start a playlist about the Cricut if you want, and just different items it makes, different projects, and I could share them with you, and just so you could see what's happening. I would love to share all this with you, and I cannot wait to get started and start making projects. This is gonna be a whole different a way of crafting. I love this machine. It's nice and smooth. It has silver lining under as well. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you the Cricut Air tool, and wanted to just walk down with you through the whole machine so you can understand it a little more, so you won't be afraid of it. And we're gonna have plenty of time to start projects. So I cannot wait to get started, see what I could come up with. I am going to work on a ton of new stuff that I'll be sharing here on my channel. So I'm so excited to tell you that I have so many projects coming up, so many good things, and I cannot wait to share them with you. I hope you guys give me a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye you guys.